Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. I'm in my 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E, and today we're going to do a quick video on how to turn off the seatbelt reminder. And this is the one that is persistent when you drive slowly, say in a parking lot. In fact, I'm going to show you that right now, what it sounds like. Let's start it up. I do like that Ford changed the chime, the startup seatbelt chime in the Mach-E. It's not the typical Ford sound, which is pretty cool. But let me just set off slowly here in this parking lot. And as you can hear it beeping as soon as you start driving with it blinking on the dash here. So let's go take care of that. I don't think it's necessary. You know you don't have your seatbelt on. I always wear mine, but I like to remove that persistent chime. All right, we're gonna start with the car off and you unbuckled in the seat. You definitely wanna make sure you're in park and the parking brake needs to be set. So then the first step is just turn it on without turning it on. So don't have your foot on the brake. You're just gonna let the car start up and you're gonna sit here for a minute until you see these seatbelt symbols disappear. So that's going to take about a minute. After the minute, you're going to give an additional 5 seconds, and then you're going to buckle and unbuckle your seatbelt 3 times, ending in an unbuckle position. So let's just wait until they disappear. I'm going to get ready with my seatbelt because you do have to complete this in 30 seconds once they turn off. And this is completely reversible, by the way. Just repeat this process and you could turn it back on if you want to. It is cool that it shows the front seats. Okay, they went away. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna buckle and unbuckle 3 times. 1. Wait for the chime. 2. 3. All right, now we're gonna actually do it one more time. Okay, and now it blinks saying that the process worked. So let's turn everything off and we'll give it a try. All right, as you can see, we're setting off in an empty parking lot. No chime anymore. So there you go. Pretty easy process. It's so cool that Ford actually outlines this in their manual, which no other manufacturers do that I know of. So it is outlined in the manual if you want to reference. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more. I'm going to do tons more Mach-E videos on the channel. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.